Hey guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and at first it kind of was stretched out, but yeah, I got it wet again in the shower. So I'm just wetting it again so that I can manipulate it, because it's easier to go through your hair when it is wet and has product in it, or at least just wet from water. So I'm just going to section off my hair to start the braid out, and I'll show you guys exactly what I do. And the products that I use will be listed in the descriptions box. I basically just used water, and I used a vitamin E oil. You could use any essential oil. It could be vitamin E or castor oil or whatever. And I also used this olive oil. It's just the leave-in conditioner. And so I just used that as a conditioner along with the essential oil. And then I used a couple of Shea Moisture products and some gel. So you can use whatever gels that you have at home, but yeah, this is just the process. And I'm also using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie just to get some more curls going on, because I'm trying to get that wash and go look. So I just wanted to try this braid out for the first time. And I'm also using the liquid leave-in conditioner just to add more moisture so that I could get more slip with the brush, you know, so that I can detangle. This is the leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. This is the, I think, Manuka Honey and Yogurt collection. So again, I'll link all of that in the descriptions box. And I think I used the curl mousse as well from Shea Moisture. Okay, so, you know, because of my hand, it's still healing, I'm basically trying to use all of my other fingers instead of my thumb, so it's kind of hard to braid, but I'm just doing smaller sections because I think the flat braids basically to your scalp gives it a more defined look when you're going for braid out. And so that's just why I'm doing this bottom row section of like 2 to 3 braids. And then I started to do like a twist at the end, but I just said I'll just keep it braided and then do like a little finger wrap curl to kind of finger twirl the ends and add a little bit more gel. And that's all I do for each section, just like that. And this is the completed back section. So I mean, if you want the curls to be smaller, you could do 4 instead of 3. I tried to do 4, but I got tired, to be honest, so yeah. But I can tell that my hair has really grown since the last cut that I did in March when I was just frustrated with my hair and it was a hot mess. But yeah, so yeah, that's the picture of the vitamin E oil. I got it from Dollar Tree. That's exactly where, yeah. And so for this top section, I honestly should have done 5, but I was in a hurry. I had to go visit my granny to kind of relieve my aunts to watch my granny or whatever. So I just tackled these thick sections, but I would recommend you to do smaller ones because I think that that's where I got the most frizz was at this section. So yeah, and don't be stingy with the product either. Make sure you get like a lot of the product in the ends of the hair because that's where when you take your braids out, it gets fuzzy. So yeah. Okay, so this was 24 hours later. My hair has fully dried. I actually put a wig on for the day to run errands, and this is the next day. I wish I had have done more, like I said, like 5 in this middle section, but this is just, you know, what I did so far. And I'm using Dew Grow to oil my scalp because, like I said, it's been a full day. So this isn't the same day. This is the whole next day in the evening. And sometimes when you leave, the longer you leave your braids in, the drier it gets. So it's best to kind of oil it or whatever, or just do it within like the first 12 hours after it has dried. So yeah, and this stuff really helps my hair grow to get thicker also. So this is a good product by Dew Grow. And so I actually had something to do again, so I had to change outfits again. So I put on this shirt again. This is just my dirty shirt that I had from Hair Products, so I just put it back on just to finish the video. And I'm taking them down, and I should have put like some oil on the ends of my fingers, but I just want to finish the video and get it out of the way because I kind of got discouraged because it had been so long before I took it down. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I guess you would say a day and a half after keeping your braids in. But yeah, I do like the outcome. I like the size of it. That's really cute. Like, it's looking really defined. But I should have maybe put more product on the end, and I probably shouldn't have let it go so long with being dried. So as a big tip, just let it get dry, or maybe, yeah, about, let's say about 12 hours. Like half of a day, or like overnight. That would be perfect overnight. So about 8 to 12 hours. And it will come out really cute and defined. So this was the next day after that because I had to go see my granny and I'm at her house. And it still looks good. This was the morning after that Sunday. So these are the sections. I didn't pick it out much because I didn't want to mess the curls up. But one side was kind of shorter than the other and I hated that. But I love the back side. Like, look how cute it looks. It looks like a wash and go. And so the front, it was cute, but the left side, I just did not like. But yeah, this is it for my first try for this. I'm gonna try to figure out another one and do another one, maybe with a twist. But thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up and leave me suggestions in the comment section, and see you guys in my next video.